How to change language on Facebook app. If any day any of you are a Facebook user and you would like to change the language on your Facebook application, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Facebook application on your mobile device. You can find the very Facebook application on your mobile device, and after you find that, you can tap on it like this. Now, after you tap on it, Facebook will be launched on your mobile device. After Facebook is launched on your mobile device, you have to go to your profile like icon on the top and then scroll down until you find the option of settings and privacy. After you find the option of settings and privacy, you have to tap on it. After tapping on settings and privacy, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the option of language. Now after you tap on the option of language, now you have the various option. Either you can put the device language or otherwise you can also change the language to any of the language that you want. For example, if you'd like to set it to English, you can tap it on English like this. If you'd like to set it to Espanol, you can tap on Espanol. You can also scroll down until you find the very language that you'd like to set just by tapping on that. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.